A few moments later.
Good morning, Ma'am Liling.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Thank you, Ma'am. Nga ikaw din nagkuha karon sa imong kinakusgang, pinalanggang.
Pinalanggang apo.
Wow.
Kanya, purok uno.
Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am Liling.
Welcome. The number 0916. November
16. November 16, 2020.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Liling.
Welcome.
No, sorry, Ma'am. Okay, nasa ka. Lakaw dito kay. Yes. Thank you, Ma'am
A few
Liling.
moments
See you.
later.
Good morning, Mother. Kumusta man atong week 6?
Okay na, ma'am.
Ang bata, kumusta man?
Okay na po.
So, pwede ba ko maka-interview ka dyan, Mother? So, sa imong week 6 nga learning modules, so far, unsa nga subject nga nagabati ang bata og alisdana?
Kanang mo kuan siya nakahibaw na, ma'am.
Oo.
Kanang kuan, ma'am, mo nakahibaw na siya sa mathematics.
And,
O kuan, ma'am, mga arts, mapi.
unya, kumusta man ang pag-answer? Okay ba siya nga mutulid ba siya o
Okay na, ma'am.
pansiron siya? Unya, mapahuway po siya o gikapoy siya?
Mapahuway siya, kapuyon siya.
Sige. Thank you, Mother, for supervising and guiding your child. Thank you so much.
Salamat, ma'am.
A few moments later.
Duha
A
karon
few
so far.
moments later. A few moments later.
Kabantay mo kay namo yung learning modules to niya gibitaw nga kana sumpay gyapon sa karon nga semana unta. Mo nang supposedly di ba kabantay mo turag duha to ka mathematics. So dili ta kay ingon nga as in dunganog answer. Kay inganay-nganay man siya ka kay aron ang competencies niya masabtan gyud sa bata. So bali sumpay ta siya karong week. That is why kada na bilin nga. Oo. Mo tong kabantay mo na tag duha ka art tong anyagi. So meaning dili ta ihatod ang usa og dungan. Pero og nahuman gud og nakaya sa bata, pwede na. Sige, thank you.
Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See you. See you.
A few moments later.
Good morning, Odell. How are you today? Come in. How are you
A
today?
few moments later.
How are you, Mama Del?
I'm fine.
Wow, as fine as white sugar.
White sugar.
Sugar.
A
Here's
few
Teacher
moments
Marisol, very
later.
busy. Very busy checking self-learning modules for the next week.
Madel, ano na? Huli na ka?
See you, Mama Del.
A few moments later.
Good morning, Teacher Maricel.
Good morning, everyone.
How are you today?
Very fine. Checking again.
May I know the week? What is the week that you are checking with?
Week 3.
Oh, so how's your checking?
Fine.
Did the children get the correct answers?
Most of
Okay, that's fine. Good to hear. So I'm here in the class of Teacher Maricel. So upon having here inside the room, I could really observe that Teacher Maricel is very busy checking the self-learning modules while waiting for the parents to come to get another set of learning modules.
A few moments
I am really
later.
impressed of what Teacher Maricel is having in her classroom. The very well organized
A few moments
self-learning
later.
module boxes from ESP, MTB, AP, Math, Music, Arts, PE, and Health. So everything is being fixed and well arranged, very organized. Wow. Sana all.
Ilog na. Parang siya ba?
Wala siya kay Balo guys nga. Na-video ko niya. Sana. Okay ma'am, see you. Good morning everyone. I'm here inside the grade 1 Moon, the classroom advisory of Teacher Maricel Toso. A very good friend of mine, very sexy and beautiful, very young. I think she's the youngest teacher here in the elementary school. Am I correct, Teacher Maricel? Wow, with matching like means she approved what I have said. So today is Monday, November 16, 2020. Another schedule of distribution of the self-learning modules, and at the same time getting another set of self-learning modules. So what a wonderful and amazing day today, and I could see that Teacher Maricel is very busy. I am wondering what Teacher Charita is doing inside her room. So maybe I will visit her soon. Thank you, Teacher Maricel. See you. Good morning, everyone. I'm here in the class of Teacher Charita Dango, our very aesthetic teacher in grade 1, the elementary school. This time, she's what do you call that? Boxing? Unboxing. Covering the box of the self-learning module. Wow. Sana all. Hi, Ma'am Cha.
Hello.
Panagad sa Ma'am Cha. Very busy na ka. How are you today? How's your weekend?
Okay.
You're okay. How's your weekend? Did you? Wow. Where have you been? Wow, with husband. With husband. Or with friends.
With friends.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Dahil na, Ma'am Cha, wala ganin yun. Tinod ng Cha? Tinod ng Cha? Ako na tinod Cha. So this time, mo lang yung aesthetics ng Charita kay sana all tanawa ko na.
Sana all
Ultimo carton na.
Carton ra in tawon.
Oh, biro tanawa. Carton turn into plastic.
Turn into plastic.
Ingani siya ka aesthetic. Look at. Kung si Ma'am Hazel ba ni? Kuhan, dili magkapasar sa quality assurance.
Yeah.
Hindi Charita.
Kay mga trabaho na yung pagkakuan na.
Ka-box? Okay, so
Ayaw po.
today is Monday. I think the teachers are still checking the self-learning modules and preparing other things, other important things. Right, Ma'am Charita?
Hey. Uy, Mami Siloy, ito ang nag-post.
Oh, it's okay lang.
Sudlan sa mga modules. Carton lang. Carton lang.
O niya,
Wala ni. Yari siya ni. By week. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. By week ang pagsulod sa isa ka carton na po.
okay, for example,
This one.
wow, ganun pala. Yan na ka-aesthetics ng dalawa. See, very well arranged. Hindi na masulat siyang Charita. Nabunggag yung mga things.
So, alright. Ay, magtuo.
Told mo kay
Kasi magtuo.
dalawa yung trabaho. Oh, tayo naman oh.
Ito
Go, Ma'am Chavita. After this, busy na po siya checking. And printing and sorting out of the pages of the self-learning modules for the week. Is it week 9, ma'am? Finish or week 8?
Hindi, week 7 ta karon.
But the preparation ba? Mana mag-print?
Week 8.
Week 8 and 9. Good morning, madam.
Ay, morning.
So in getting the self-learning modules, there are protocols to follow, the hand sanitizing, and the body temperature, and at the same time, the observed social distancing.
Ay, 1 meter.
By 1 meter. Thank you.
Are lang mo. Ano na ako gihatag di mo? Ate ka.
Sige.
Hindi marunong ka anak.
Thank you.
Pakuha ako siya dali. Sige. Thank you.
See you, madam. Thank you. Hello, guys. Meet Miss Ray.
Hi! Good
Hi, Miss
morning!
Ray. Oh, see?
Yan na ha, kay busy pa po ko.
Busy in?
Busy sa kong mga ek-ek. O kinipod. Oh my God! Ano po sinasabi ko sa inyo? O naapa. Nag-apil-apil mo gudi siya. Undiya na ha. O kumusta man mo diha?
Tell something about what are you doing? Kaloy.
Anime.
Bongga.
Anime din he. Malingaw ra ko.
Wala ka niya.
Malingaw. Ay, okay. Masuko ang kuan.
Kuan?
Ang kuan. Principal sponsor. Yan na ha. Kay, kapag-kubikopya.
Yes, actually, Miss Ray is the Miss Secretary
Correct.
of the Director of the Philippines.
Yes, Secretary of Department of the Education.
And I-
Sobra na to ha, sobra na to. Lula na kasi.
Free lang ka.
Car.